Criminologists study crime, criminal behavior, and the justice system. Their job involves researching why crimes happen, how to prevent them, and how the police and courts deal with offenders. Criminologists often work with the police, government agencies, or universities to look at patterns in crime and suggest ways to reduce it. They might analyze data, interview criminals, or help shape policies that make communities safer. Someone starting out as a criminologist might earn around £20,000 to £25,000 a year. With more experience, especially in senior roles or with a university background, this can rise to £35,000 or even over £50,000. Criminologists working in research or government jobs might earn more if they take on specialist roles or leadership positions. A degree in criminology, sociology, psychology, or a related subject is usually needed to become a criminologist. Some jobs may also ask for a master's degree or PhD, especially for research or teaching roles. Work experience in areas like the police, probation service, or social work can also be helpful. Good research, communication, and analytical skills are important for anyone wanting to succeed in this career.